Wireless audio has always been a filmmaker's dream. At Deity, we wanted to be the ones to set you free, to provide you with a reliable way to add a wireless boom to your arsenal. Introducing the HD-TX. A wireless XLR transmitter with a built-in audio recorder. Using the most powerful digital 2.4 GHz signal in the industry, the HD-TX has what it takes to truly replace cables on your set. Simply pair it with your Deity Connect system, and you're done. This means no more worrying about frequency restrictions when you travel. Also capable of operating as a standalone audio recorder, the HD-TX is our most versatile tool yet, allowing you to tackle the most crowded environments cable-free. And to top it all off, the HD-TX is equipped to transmit and record at the same time. The built-in backup recorder ensures you will capture crystal clear audio even while fighting off the worst RF interference. The HD-TX comes packed with all the same features as our body pack transmitter, like low-cut filters and analog limiters, because it can be used as a body pack transmitter. Just plug in your 3.5mm lav mic and you're ready to create. At Deity, we want you to be able to do more while carrying less. And the HD-TX is just our next step.